You don't need fancy software, just Canva. Let me show you how. First, open up your design in Canva. Now, click on the photo you want to transform. It could be something you uploaded, or maybe a beautiful image from Canva's own library. Ready? Click Edit Photo at the top, or just double-click. And here we go, the magic begins. This is where you start shaping your photo's story. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation using simple sliders. Gently fine-tune until your image feels right. Or go bold. Choose a preset to instantly shift the mood. Warmer, cooler, more dramatic. It's up to you. Need to crop or resize? You've got full control to frame your photo just right. But if you have Canva Pro, you're unlocking a whole new level. Click BG Remover, and in one click, the background vanishes. Suddenly, your subject stands alone, clean and powerful. See something in the shot you don't want? Use the brush tool to erase distractions. Yes, even people. Want to add something? Just type it in. Christmas tree, mountains, whatever you imagine. And Canva's AI brings it to life. You can soften the background, make your subject pop, change just one color to create harmony or drama. Feeling creative? Wrap your photo in a decorative frame. It's such a simple way to make it feel polished. Or drop it inside a laptop screen, a mug, a t-shirt. Get that realistic preview that sells the vibe. When you're happy with your edits, click Done or Apply. Then keep designing or download your masterpiece. And here's a tip from me to you. Start with high-resolution photos whenever you can. And don't be afraid to play. Canva's tools are intuitive and forgiving. Nothing is permanent. That's it. That's how you edit like a pro without leaving Canva. If this helped you even a little, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around. There's so much more to create together.